Good morning everyone. My name is Aditya Gupta. I am founder of ReCube and my idea today is trash to cash. As we all know, India alone over generates 62 million tons of waste and mostly of it get untreated. 70% of its alone come from the household. And the big problem is not that the waste comes from our household. The problem is that the untreated waste that is polluting our environment. As we all know, the amount of waste is too much and we are currently unable to recycle the amount of waste. So I came up with a solution. The solution is very simple. The idea name is trash to cash. It's a very simple idea. It consists a trash box that will be installed in our household. So even the people living in rural areas or even in urban colonies, the main household, they can actually recycle their waste on their own. So what it consists is, there's a trash can. You have to put trash in it. The trash, it can be plastic waste and any kind of waste you can put inside it. So the plastic waste that you can put, the metallic cans you can put inside it, these things get converted into small cubical eco bricks that people can sell eventually. And the remaining biodegradable waste, it get collected into a small separate container which is located below this machine that you can use as manure in your home or in any kind of garden or supply near available you. So the cost of making this is also very nominal and you can make it very simply. So this is my idea. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.